Hello friends, welcome to MSV Word. Today we are learning how God chose a new king. Samuel was very sad because King Saul had disobeyed God. But the Lord said to Samuel, "How long will you mourn for Saul? I have chosen a new king." God told him, "Fill your horn with oil and go to Bethlehem. I am sending you to Jesse. I have chosen one of his sons to be king." Samuel was afraid and said, "If Saul hears about this, he will kill me." But the Lord said, "Take a cow with you and say, 'I have come to sacrifice to the Lord.' Invite Jesse to the sacrifice." So Samuel obeyed the Lord and went to Bethlehem. When the elders saw him, they trembled and asked, "Do you come in peace?" Samuel said, "Yes, I come in peace. Come, sacrifice to the Lord with me." When Samuel saw Eliab, he thought, "Surely the Lord's anointed stands here." But the Lord said, "Do not look at his appearance of his heights. I have rejected him." The Lord does not look at the things people look at. People look at outward appearance, but the Lord looks at the hearts. One by one, Jesse's sons passed before Samuel, but the Lord had not chosen any of them. So Samuel asked, "Are these all your sons?" Jesse said, "There is still the youngest. He is tending the sheep." Samuel said, "Send in for him. We will not sit down until he arrives." So they brought David. He was young, with bright eyes and a handsome appearance. Then the Lord said, "Rise and anoint him. This is the one." So Samuel took the horn of oil and anointed him in the front of his brothers. And from that day on, the Spirit of the Lord came powerfully upon David. Remember, friends, God looks at your heart, so always choose to do what is right. Thank you for watching. See you next time on MSV Word.